It's a bizarre type of crime. Big Island police say in the past few months there have been several cases of backhoes being stolen. Kimberly Speakman spoke with one of the people who had theirs swiped and finds out what you can do to keep your equipment safe.
After a series of incidents of backhoes being stolen, Big Island police are asking for the public's help in finding the suspects in these cases.
Typically, if the construction company or the owner is doing work on somebody's property, they leave that piece of equipment there until they get the next job scheduled. Well, somebody is finding out where these pieces of equipment are located and they're going in and taking them. So it's very concerning to us.
He says they were able to locate a stolen backhoe last week due to this video posted on social media. A worker says that piece of equipment was missing for almost a day before they got the tip on social media.
Around 7 o'clock, we got informed that the backhoe was missing from the job site. So my supervisor went down, checked it out, and verified it was gone.
Paul Pestana, owner of a construction equipment rental company, says stealing this type of equipment isn't that hard, but there are steps you can take to protect your property.
One of the things he recommends is a GPS tracker for these kinds of equipment. Now, he says that these GPS trackers can help construction workers because it will let them know when their equipment is somewhere it shouldn't be.
I've had multiple times that our equipment leaves the site in the middle of the night, you know, and you look into the tracker and it's driving down the road. You could just call HPD and say, hey, my machine just left the job site.
He also recommends installing master switches and placing equipment not in use in public areas like roads. So if a theft takes place, people can see it happen. He says one of the reasons for all the thefts could be the hefty price for the sale of a backhoe.
A good used backhoe would range from anywhere from $25,000 to $40,000.
Kimberly Speakman, KHON 2 News.